Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, good morning, and welcome back to another video. And for today's vlog, we're making stir-fry shrimps with vegetables. It's a very simple, guys. Okay, let's get started. First, ito na guys, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic, ayan, isusutin muna natin ito guys, and then we're gonna add 1 onion chop. Susupin natin hanggang mag golden brown. Guys. Sorry guys, ito kasi parang nag-green ang color dito kasi guys yung window namin yung color is color green. Kaya yung nagre-reflect dito sa aking camera. Ganyan po. Sorry ha. Then, we're gonna add shrimps. Ito guys, yung shrimps marinated with salt and pepper and cornstarch. Ganun lang. Para guys, hindi na masyadong maraming fried tayo at saka, diba, para tipid sa oil. Ayun guys. So guys pala, yes, 3 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil po yan. Ganun. And then, we can add shrimps. Season with salt and pepper. Yun lang naman. Salt and pepper. And then, fried muna natin. Stir fry natin. Ito lang po yun. Stir fry lang natin para isahan na lang yung oil natin gagamitin. Ito guys, add na natin yung vegetable, yung broccoli at carrot. Ganun lang, broccoli at carrots. Malalaki yung slice ha. Ayun. May slice yung onions. Mix lang natin. Diba guys, napakasimple lang na ito. Hindi ko na every night yung shrimps guys. Kasi masyado nagmamantika. So ganun lang yun. guys, ito na po ang ating finished product. Ayan, ready to serve na siya. Tingnan nyo guys. Diba? Masarap. It's yummy guys. Really. Try nyo. Napaka-simple ang guys, ang ingredients niya at saka kayang-kaya. Diba? So, ito pala, meron akong isa shout out dito. Okay, shout out to Kuya Jerry Solis. Hi Kuya. Ayan. By the way guys, thank you so much for checking this out. I hope you like this video and share this with your family and friends. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post new video. Thank you. And you can also follow me on my FB page Isabel Cooking as well, and my Instagram Shells Cooking. Okay guys, and also guys, thanks to my new subscribers, my regular subscribers, and to my silent viewers. Hi, thank you. Regular supporters, regular commenters, I really appreciate. Thank you. I love you all. Okay? Sana dire-diretso ang pag-support nyo sa akin. Okay guys, thank you talaga. I hope you all enjoy this video. Be safely, be healthy, and be happy. Sana guys, hindi kayo makakalimot talaga. Please support. Kasi ganoon din ako sa inyo. Magsusupport din ako guys sa inyo. At saka sana sa mga, alam nyo guys, yung matatagal ko ng mga commenters, subscribers, sana hindi kayo magbago. Please support me. Okay? Namimiss ko rin kayo guys. Really. Okay guys. Matatapos ito. I'll see you soon. Bye.